The Havells Mozel 1200mm ceiling fan. It can be used for amalgamating utility with aesthetics. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Hi guys, my name is Ume. Tropical country like ours call for a quality ceiling fan in every room of our space. I recently got myself this Havells Mozel 1200mm ceiling fan from Amazon, and I have to say I am quite impressed. Let me tell you more. The fan features a powerful motor designed to produce a high speed of rotation. It comes in a contemporary elegant design, and to function properly requires 220 to 240 watt single phase AC, 0.360 amp and 72 watt of power. The package includes a fan, motor with wall bracket, guard set, blade and a guarantee card. I got the Havells Mozel 1200mm ceiling fan in the color white, but you can also get it in brown colors, so make sure you check both of them out before picking the one that suits you best.